What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Shevy Eats, where food is the dream. I'm super excited for this episode. Please, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Guys, today we're going to be cooking my old-fashioned burger patties, grilled cheese, and my original crinkle fries. So y'all tune in and watch what I got. So far, I'm just cutting the potatoes. So you'll see me cut the potatoes. You'll see me put the burgers on the patty. I like to do them kind of like the thin patties in a way. So just keep on watching, guys. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, and I hope you watch through the whole video. I'll check in with you guys later. Peace. Alright, guys, I'm back. Please do not mind my grill thing as it's, kind of lopsided. The handle broke and I couldn't find the screw to put it back on, so that's just what we're working with. But I'm in the process of buying a new griddle, so please do not mind that. But if you're still tuning in, comment down below, let me know what you think so far. I got a lot of cooking ideas, so yeah, just let your boy know. But I'm gonna let you get back to the video. Peace.